Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Now we coloring and draw alphabets A to Z. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we mixing red color and now we coloring. First we coloring the alphabet of A, and the next one is B. A for apple and B for ball. The next one is C. C for cow. Kids, now we using red color. The next one is D, and the next one is E. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Subscribe to our channel. G for goat, and the next one is H. H for hand. Now we mixing the color of red. Now we coloring the alphabet of H. The next one is I, and the next one is J. Now we coloring the alphabet of K. K for kite. L for lion. The next one is M. M for moon and for mango. And for nose and for nest. Kids, now we're using again the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. O for octopus and P for penguin. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is Q. Q for coil. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. And the next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. The next one is T. T for tiger, and U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. The next one is W. X for Xmas tree. Y for yolk, and Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Today we draw and coloring alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.